One of the beautiful aspects to watching birds is that you need not get so engrossed with their activities to the point where it negates all other mental activities. You may watch and eat if you wish. You may watch and drink if you wish. You may watch and daydream if you wish. You may even watch and think for yourself if you wish. Or you may watch and read your email, your correspondence. I get email in response to my videos and video essays. Not all of them are confrontational, some are enlightening and educational, and they are all welcomed. Diana Gordon, for example, shared 2 of her poems with me. One as an observer of a book, the other the book's response to the observer. First, let me share the poem of the observer of the book. It sits there, staring at me, pleading, enticing, tearful. What can I say or do to ease its pain and sorrow? How can I possibly quell the loneliness, useless, unwanted feeling it has? Does my action, or lack thereof, pain your saddened heart still more? Oh, thing, go away, tease someone else. Do not pierce my being with longing or regret. I cannot comply. I cannot reach out and touch you. I cannot place you, compromised, spread out in front of me. After all, your lessons are too sad and bitter. Your past so long ago. Your skin is fragile and frail. It cracks under my pressure. You're practically falling apart. What would you have me do except watch you lay there and rest? What can you teach me anyway? Then there's the book's response to the observer. Oh, silly one, oh, foolish one, can you not see beyond my tired, cracking, torn old skin? Can you not wonder of the wisdom gathered, the laughter, the tears shed for these written words, the knowledge of centuries, the ideas, the coagulation of words just for the pleasure of their sounds combined, to make melodies, rhythms in your mind? Can you not greet the sages with openness of thought? Open your eyes, see man's faults and frailties, laugh and cry at decisions too late to reverse. See good, bad, and evil displayed, repelled, embrace. Touch each smooth paper page. Seek, incorporate, acknowledge. Do as you must, do as you can, but mostly do not ignore. Those 2 poems were written by Diana Gordon. She's an excellent illustrator, artist, and of course writer. But I also get other emails as responses to something that I have said. For example, this email is from Screamin' Lehman, one of Marshfield, Massachusetts' excellent entertainer and musicians. It's about religion, and he does offer some insights. Honestly, I think that he says out loud what many people are thinking, but dare not say for fear of ridicule and being shunned by peers. And that fear, by the way, is real. Anyway, let me share Screamin' Lehman's point of view about religion. And I quote, "As a child, I had to go to church. I was told to believe in God and that He hears my prayers. I was taught that if I was not a Christian, I would go to hell. I also believed in Santa Claus, the Tooth Fairy, and the Easter Bunny. As an adult, I believe none of the above. I don't believe that whatever event that creates this unimaginable vast universe 14 billion years ago is listening to my thoughts and prayers here on this 5 billion year old speck of dust we call Earth. I despise religion and its perpetuation of spiritual fraud. Religions are racist, unenlightened, exclusionary clubs where its members believe they are closer to God than anyone else and therefore better than anyone else. It is divisive, non-productive, and dangerous. I believe in nature, which isn't governed by a prayer power, a god, or gods for that matter, but by the laws of physics, which we as human beings are continually trying to get a better understanding of. It is my hope that someday we will realize that we do not need religion to answer questions. We need to embrace each other as a species and our relationship with nature. End quote. Aren't these birds wonderful?